Hey guys, it's Cam. I'm back again and I'm doing a hair tutorial today. So I'm gonna do a braid out, most likely chunky braids, so I can get more of like a beach wave thing since this was a tighter curl. And then, you know, I'll show you guys what I do. Like, my hair looks crazy. Like, this is, wow, like, look at it. So my part is gonna be like that big. So I'm gonna just keep going. This is gonna be my first braid. And now that I'm combing it through, I get to see like what parts are dry, what parts need some more products, things like that. So I'm just gonna comb it through. And I'm actually rolling the end first, rolling it inward, rolling, and that's it. Like, I'm not rolling anymore. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, bare minimum of edge control. My braids are literally not tight at all, like at all, which is fine. Okay guys, so today is the next day. I just got out the shower, so I put on a bonnet. I hate putting on shower caps because it just generates heat and my hair frizzes. So I'm gonna take that off first. And this is how I slept last night with my tie head on. And I'm just gonna take out each roller so you guys can see. And I'm just gonna pull them out. So this is the end product, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fluff the roots a little bit more so that it's not just sticking up in the front. But I actually don't want it in the middle part, so I'm just gonna put it to the side. So I'm gonna take about this much and just flip it over. And then to secure that this piece lays down flat, I'm gonna just bobby pin it. This is pretty much it. A nice fluffy braid out. I didn't have to separate my curls because, like I said, I did big braids, so there's no need. I'm just gonna let you guys see the back of it. It's bouncy, it's cool, I like it a lot. But yeah, this is pretty much it, so you guys can see. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching and staying with me through this tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.